Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and I would be your examiner for this part of the test. This test would be recorded. What is your full name?
My full name is Harsh.
Okay. How may I call you?
You may address me by my first name, Harsh.
May I see your identification, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Okay. Where do you come from, Harsh?
I belong to a small city, Tohana, which is also known as City of Canals. It is located in the northern part of my country and 220 kilometers apart from the capital city, New Delhi.
Okay. Can you describe your hometown a little?
My hometown is a very beautiful place and a plethora of essential facilities are provided by government in my hometown. Apart from it, people living in my hometown are very polite and hardworking.
Okay. Few questions will be based on friends. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have a huge friend circle and I have almost 30 to 35 friends.
How often do you talk to your friends, Harsh?
I oftenly talk with my all of the friends through social media like Instagram. I try to keep in touch with them for all the day.
And how do you communicate with your friends?
I communicate with my friends through social media like Instagram. Moreover, when I get a chance, I try to talk with them on phone calls.
How do people make friends now?
I think the way of making friends has changed drastically in modern times. Nowadays people use social media to make their new friends.
Is friendship important to you?
Yes, definitely friendship is very imperative for me as I can share my talks with my friends that I cannot share with my family.
What kind of people do you like to have as friends?
I like people who have a similar way of thinking like me so that I can share my personal views with them without any hesitation.
Okay. What do you and your friends do together?
I think it depends on the situation. Whenever we to accumulate at any birthday party, so we celebrate it with fun and frolic. Apart from it, we discuss about our career also.
Few questions will be based on art. Do you like art?
Yes, definitely. I like art because it makes me a creative person.
Do you think art classes are necessary?
Yes, indeed, art classes are necessary.
Why?
This is because art classes sharps the mind of an juvenile, so it is very important for an individual.
How do you think art classes affect children's development?
As I earlier mentioned, art make children creative and which sharps their mind and which ultimately helpful for them in their nearby future.
What kind of paintings do Indian people like?
It depends on person to person. Some people like historical paintings like painting of Mona Lisa, whereas on the other hand, some people like natural paintings.
Okay, Harsh, this is your cue card, and you'll be given 1 minute to prepare your answer. If you want to make notes, you can. Yes, Harsh, you can start now.
I am a sports loving person and I admire many sports personalities, and here I would like to take the opportunity to talk about my favorite athlete who is none other than India's captain Virat Kohli. He is a very aggressive batsman. He made his debut in 2008 against Sri Lanka and was able to score only 8 runs. After that, his career graphs dramatically increase and he became the captain of India team in all three formats in 2018. He is primarily a top order batsman and bats at number 3 generally, but he can switch gears at any point of the game. He is a very good fielder and spends hours in gym to make his body in a perfect shape. He led by team his he led by his team by example, and he also has multifarious records under his name. If I talk about the franchise cricket, is the only player in IPL history to play all the games for a single franchisee. Apart from it, in 2016, he holds the record of most runs in a single season, that is 973 runs. He is the only player in the cricket history to have a 50 plus average in all three formats of the game. He is very prominent as he is the third most followed sports person and the most followed Asian personality on Instagram. At last, I would like to say that he is a role model for youngsters like me as he had thrived a lot to be what he is now.
Mhm. Thank you, Ash. Now it is time to ask follow-up questions. What kind of exercises do Indian people like?
According to my knowledge, Indian people are not very active in exercise. As a result, diseases like diabetes and obesity are continuously increasing. However, some individuals like to practice traditional form of exercise like yoga, and some people prefer to go on a morning walk.
Mhm. What characteristics do you think an athlete should have?
I think there are manifold characteristics that athletes should have. First of all is the aggression, so that and belief that he or she can and win from the any point of the game. Apart from it, an athlete must possess patience and self-confidence.
Mhm. Why are there so few top athletes?
There are many reasons why there are few athletes. Firstly, the journey of being a athlete is very difficult and it is full of obstacles.
Why do you think so?
I think I think there are very few top athletes because the journey is very difficult, and some parents do not consider sports as a career and they want their children to indulge in studies instead of playing sports.
Mhm. What are the best way to become a top athlete?
I think hard work is the best and only way to be a top athlete. A person has to continuously struggle and practice his or her game to improve it. And moreover, he has to believe in his or her game so that or she can be a top athlete.
Thank you, Ash. This is end of the test.